Hello everyone, my name is Dulce, and I am a clothes hoarder. Alright everyone, hello, my name is Dulce, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Dulce. Okay, so basically this video is about how to not be like me, a hoarder of clothes. And it's such a big problem. Obviously, I have a lot of clothes. Some of them I do wear, but then I mostly just wear like the same clothes like every day. Not the same clothes. Basically, what you want to do is grab all your clothes, set them out, start organizing what you don't and what you don't want, basically. And then tip number one of how to do it is you can either like call the actual store and ask them what kind of like clothes they're looking for, what's in high demand right now, or if they are basically looking for like any kind of seasonal clothes. And then from there you get to having a little bit more of an idea of what clothes to be choosing to bring to them. And then second tip is to review your clothes before you give it to them. Basically, like, a shirt that you might, let's say this one. Let's say you have a shirt. Basically what they're not going to be looking for, what they're going to be looking for is pit stains. I obviously don't have any on this one. But they will be looking for that, so if it's like a little discoloration, they're not going to take the shirt. You can also look for like little fuzzies, because I know that most of the time they probably won't take the clothes that have like fuzzies like on the sleeves, like long sleeves, or like the collar or down here. They're also going to be looking for any type of like stretchiness, like worn down like stretchness, you know. I don't know how to explain it, but they're gonna be looking for that. So if it's not like straight like this one, and it's like kind of like wobbly kind of looking shirt, they're probably won't gonna take that either. They're gonna be looking for obviously stains in the shirt. They're gonna be looking for holes and rips. They're gonna be looking for all of that. So if the clothes that you choose out to like sell to them and they fall into that category, then it's probably not the best choice to bring it to them, because they're gonna say no. Okay, so now I'm gonna be looking through my clothes, and then I'll check back to you once I get all the clothes sorted out. Okay, so now I actually did sort the clothes that I do want to sell and that I want to keep on wearing, and I did have a big selection of like clothes that I don't want, and I want to see if like I can get something. But at the same time, from those clothes I did analyze which ones were not in the best condition, as in like holes or rips and discoloration and all that stuff. So now next stop is to actually go to the place and see if we actually get something. I don't know, I feel like my guess is $20. I don't think they'll give me like 40 or 50, because I don't think they're like that, and they're gonna be like, just imagine me at GameStop. So like I brought 20,000 games. How much do you think they're worth? Like, how much would you give me? $2. Okay, sure. Or I don't know, if I don't get at least $5, I'm probably just gonna like donate them at like Goodwill or something. But yeah, next stop, Plato's closet. Okay, so we just got here and we're about to go in and see how much we get. What do you think? ¿Qué nos van a dar?
Yo ya te dije que nada más te van a dar ni $5, Dulce, pero...
$5 para al menos una más chica. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it'll be about 15 minutes. Ready as soon as So I just came out to the car. I'm in the car right now, and I'm just gonna wait for the text that they give out so I can go back in and see what they took and didn't take. So I'll let you guys know at that. Hey everyone, so I just came back and my mom was wrong. She thought that I was gonna get less than $5, but it turns out that I got almost $9, just by 10 cents, which is nothing. I could have just gotten the full $9 instead of $8.90 and change. So yeah.
Yo pensé que te iban a dar menos de $5, Dulce, por eso estoy sorprendida. So, te fue bien.
Yeah, she thought that I was gonna get less than $5, and I ended up with $8.90. But then one thing is that, like, they made us wait. What's it called? They made us wait outside. Well, we chose to be outside, but they made us wait for a really long time, and they were supposed to send me like the little text thing that they were done, and they never did. So I was kind of mad. I had to go inside, and they didn't even have like my stuff checked in or whatever, like the little receipt, so they can just like tell me right away. So I thought that was a little inconvenient because I was waiting, and you know, that was not cool. But yeah, I feel like if I would have had like more things that were like Nike and stuff like that, I would have gotten a little bit more. But since I didn't bring stuff like that, because you know, I know that they're not gonna give me what it's like worth at like secondhand, like, you know, like $5, $10, whatever. They would have given me like $2 each for something that was like Nike or Adidas or anything like that. But yeah, I guess like people like to do that, and they just want their clothes out of the house, and I don't blame them. But yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, let me know, of course. I'll see if I can find any more stuff that I can sell. But in the meantime, catch the next video tomorrow back in my channel. So see you guys.